Okay, guys, you guys want bigger cap stocks? Check out ASTS. This one is down 10-12% on the day. It is looking very nice. It has a lot of ups and downs, as you can see in the chart. Some massive bull moves that it can do. I'm really liking this chart. Here's how I'm exactly going to play. Here's how the safest you can look to play it. Go to the weekly chart and you'll see why I love this so much. This is absolutely awesome. So it has lots of zig patterns. It goes up and down. You can make lots of money through these ranges. I mean, if you just play it on this 10, this was a 30% bounce. This 20 had a nice 40% bounce. And then this 50, what are we going to get? Are we going to get a nice big bounce here? Here's how I'm going to play it. Hear me out on this. So you can buy shares, no problemo, right here if you really want to. This is not a bad idea. I am going to sell the puts like I alerted in my swing trade alerts right here. I said for a bigger cap stock, I'm watching ASTS here on the weekly EMA 50. I sold the 43. I'm selling this strike right here. I'm going to talk about how to do it. I'm going to keep reiterating it. Basically, when you sell puts, you collect the premium and you get that instantly. So I think 7 February has lots of good premium, lots of option chains. So I went to this $16 strike and I said, but well, by 7 February, I don't think ASTS is going to be under $16. And that's all that's saying because I'm using the strike here. And with 10 contracts, I did about about 7 right here. You can see right here in my images, I give you guys exactly what I'm doing. I did about 7 right here, and you can see how much you're looking to gain. Well, you're going to get, with that 43 cents that you sold at, you're going to get about $300 instantly. And the beautiful thing about this is you don't care what it does, right? It could go up, down slightly, as long as it don't go under 16. Well, I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks, but then you just buy it there. But if you're looking at this chart, it's extremely bullish. I don't think we go terribly under this EMA 50 by 7 February. And then you can also look at the monthly chart. This has been on a massive, massive uptrend here. It went from a $1.97 to 39 in a short blink of a second here. I really like this chart. This is actually looking really nice. We'll see what this does, but as you can see, it's been just scattering up and down, up and down. It has lots of volume. It's not volume's not an issue. This thing has been able to hit the upper channel on the upper band. So that's how I'm playing it on a safer side note. And what's beautiful about a big cap stock is this. Let's say I get exercise. It goes below $16. Well, then I can go into the same thing and I can just make money constantly, right? Then I go to calls. What I'm going to do is then I could be like, okay, I could go, 9 days out, 16, 23, whatever you want to do. And I'd be like, you know what? I'm going to sell calls and make money just for having the shares. So if I have a $16 average, I would want to sell like at least 16 above for covered calls. And you can see, look at the massive premium. Obviously, since we're above 16, you're going to have bigger premium. This is going to be much lower. But that's how you can literally just lower your average. So whatever I sell my premium, let's say I sell cover calls for 50 cents for 9 days out. Well, that $16 comes down to 15.50. But also keep in mind, when you sell puts, your average is technically this limit price much lower than your strike. So if you sold $16 strike, you got to remember you took that premium of 43 cents here. So that max profit, you automatically get that no matter what. So you actually have $16 minus 43. So you actually have around a 50 average instead of actually 16. So keep that in mind, that you did collect that premium. So your break even is lower than 16. So it could be at 15.50s and you might be down like 200 something bucks, but you already collected that 300 profit. So that's how I do it. This is the beautiful thing of, I call, selling puts, get a better average than what usually you do is you would definitely get in this right here on the EMA 50. But what if it goes a little lower, right? The perfect thing about this strategy is it doesn't matter as long as it doesn't go extremely low, right? And even if it does that, I can do cover calls. I can sell some more puts way out, get my average even lower. And you see how it's a cycle of, this is, let the people, buy it way up in here. This meets my system. As you can see, when we hit the 10, we had a massive move up. 20, massive move up. This stock has done perfectly everything I liked. Monthly is in a solid uptrend. EMA 50 is at the bottom. So with these kind of stocks you want to make sure you're in an uptrend. Easy way to say, EMA 50 is at the bottom. Massive uptrend. I think this thing obviously deserves a correction. I mean, you went from a buck to 39 in a blink of an eye. It definitely deserves some type of correction. We'll see there. I also looked at the news. They had a closing of the 460 million convertible senior notes. So I think it's worth a risk. It's this is the safest way to play. It's a very volatile stock, so we'll see what it does here. It just looks gorgeous to me, this chart. I got to take a risk at it. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, get exactly notified when I get in, get out, know my strategies. I love selling options. I have probably one of the best selling credit spread strategies that you guys will probably ever see, and how I do it every day to make money consistently every day doing this particular set of skills. I think you guys are going to let it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you'll get access to my day trades and swing trades. Forget this for this video for only 12 bucks a month if you join now. You're gonna love it. It's never gonna go up in price, and you'll be locked in as long as you don't cancel. 12 bucks a month, never going up in price. You're going to be grandfathered in. You're going to get past education, future education, alerts just like this, where like, hey, I hunt these stocks down. I look at stuff and I'd be like, you know what? This is a nice, solid setup. And not a lot of people know about selling puts. I would love to talk to be about that, cover calls, credit spreads. I love being a seller in options because your probability is so much higher. And then include it with a nice system like this on how to find the trend, where you can have some air and still make massive money and be profitable. That's the purpose of this strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love it. I try to do a lot of research on these kind of stocks here. It looks like right here, I mean, we're dead on a perfect support zone. So we could go a little lower, but it's looking good in my opinion. We'll see what happens with this. ASTS. It's right there on the weekly MA 50. Sold puts at the $16 strike. Gives me a little bit of wiggle room. Nice premium there to make some nice money. If it goes lower, I would not care if I bought this at 16. I like this company, so we'll see what does. We'll see what goes from there, guys. But definitely join the premium Discord. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee for a limited time. 12 bucks a month. You're gonna love it. It's not gonna cost you a lot. You're gonna get your feet wet. You're gonna understand why I take trades. You'll be alerted on your phone when I take these trades. Like right now, you would see this swing trade alerts set up right here of why I like it, everything, what I'm doing, the exact strike I'm looking in, the exact premium, and all that. If you want to learn more about that, watch my swing trading educations. I have tons of videos how to self-cover calls, my follow the trend, and then my day trading educations. But if you have my day and swing trading plus membership, you get access to both my memberships, and you have the highest tier. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and let's make some money on ASTS. Peace out.